May 20. My name is Alison Paola Peña-Wiesner, student of Industrial Engineering. I belong to Group 9 of Technological Assessment and Negotiation. In your case study, 100% of the companies have funds for investment in technology. As time goes by, companies have understood that the best investment they can make for the growth of their company is technology. For this, it is essential to get advice, negotiation, and have an investment fund that allows them to access new platforms and firms trading. This allows them to stay in the market over time and, of course, be profitable. This investment fund allows to carry out an action plan that is based on the continuous improvement of the production process, service, or any area of the company, which over time translates into benefits. Companies, according to their type of business, focus on obtaining specific improvement. In the case of Cencosud, which is a company that mainly manages the area of service and financial products, requires training in new ways of marketing their goods and services. It is a type of business where technology has a very important participation, but it is essential to train in other areas of the company, which allows to improve the quality of the service, as well as to train the leaders of the company so that they can exercise the role of leaders in a company that is in a process of constant transformation. Negotiation tactics are concrete actions that are carried out in order to achieve a favorable agreement in a negotiation. Tactics are tools to speed up negotiation. It is important to be clear about the difference between tactics for success in sales and business far from unfair negotiation. That is why, in my opinion, companies should create alliances with strategic partners that allow them to be in a constant process of obtaining and implementing new technologies that allow them to create new forms of business, as well as guaranteeing not only their growth as company, but to maintain over time very profitably. Thanks.